Hello everyone, this is Cook With Me. My name is LiQWYD and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a healthy chocolate milkshake without ice cream, and it is Oreo inspired but also without Oreos. If you'd like to see how it's done, keep watching this video. So for this we'll be needing just 3 ingredients: 1.5 cup of unsweetened Greek yogurt, 2 packs of cocoa biscuit, you can use any cocoa biscuit of your choice, and 1 cup of liquid milk. So in no particular order, just throw the 3 ingredients into a blender and blend. So there you have it. In a matter of seconds, you have your glass of healthy chocolate milkshake ready. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell so you can know when the next video drops. Thank you.